Here you see the main company dashboard. You will first see that you are viewing today's activity for the entire company. I will then show each individual store after we view the company dashboard. You could choose any date to view or go back today by clicking Today. The drop down here that says All Company is a filter where you can see groups of your stores. You have divided them into certain groups. Here you see the daily and monthly and yearly sales for the company. To the left, you see today's sales by store and by group. By clicking on each store, you can view the store dashboard. We will do that after we review the company dashboard. Below the store listing is a box that shows the real-time interactive chat that is going on between the stores. In the middle is a graph representing all store sales by sales volume. Floating your mouse over the individual bars will tell you the store volume. Below that is a chart depicting sales by hour that will trend, showing increased sales as the hours go by and when sales are slow or there is a spike in sales. This may help with employee scheduling. Below the sales by hour chart are two pie charts representing what products are selling best and what salesperson is selling the most. To reveal more data, float your mouse over the pie chart. Below the two pie charts is a listing of today's sales receipts for all the locations. You can filter the sales type by clicking on these filters. Since this is the entire company sales, there's a search feature here to quickly find a receipt when needed. The arrow by the amount of the sale represents the amount over the minimum it was sold for. Below that, you will see the products that were sold today. Since this is the entire company, you are able to search for a particular product. The column button lets you customize what columns you want displayed on the dashboard. Below that is a listing of employees clocked in and their hours. On the right side, you will see the payment breakdown represented in a pie chart. It shows you the payment types such as cash, credit, check, etc. Placing the mouse over the chart gives you additional detail. You can hide payment types by clicking on the payment type in the legend below the chart. Clicking them again will cause them to reappear. Below that are the quantity of products that were sold today, and any product that was marked out of inventory will appear as a loss. Below that is your total cost of sales from what was sold today. Below that is sales by salesperson per location. Placing your mouse over the amount shows the gross sales. For additional detail on the employee sales, click on the employee name. A window will open to display the sales history for that employee. It displays the daily sales, monthly, and yearly sales for the employee. Here you see the profit from the sales today. Below are the sales tickets for what this salesperson has sold today. You can view the ticket by pressing the printer icon or review and modify the ticket if needed by pressing the pencil icon. The X button will delete the sale. Below are the events or notifications that have occurred in the location. Store dashboard. The store dashboard will enable you to get additional detail of what is happening and the daily history in that store since it opened. Click on the location in the company dashboard to see the store dashboard. You can easily switch between stores by choosing another store here. Here you're able to go back to any day to see the daily activity for that day. Click Today to quickly get back to the current day. Let's view the store dashboard now. Across the top in the large boxes, you can quickly see your store sales, the quantity of products sold, and your average amount per sale. You also see the store totals for the month and year. In the left column under Cash Drawer, you will see the cash drawer detail for that day. By placing your mouse over the amount, you will see the detail of the cash count for the open day and close day, and if there was any shortage in the count. Below that, you see a sales summary of today's sales by payment type. You can also see the amount of cash in the cash drawer. To see a breakdown of credit card sales, click View Info to view a window with that detail. Click Close when done viewing. You can also see any refunds or void totals here. To see the closing report that was generated for that night, click the Closing Report button to view the detail for the close of day. This report is also sent via app, text, or email to those that are set up to receive close day notifications. You can see the overview of sales, products sold, and employee sales. Click Close when done viewing. The middle section now shows the employees that are logged in and their sales. Here you may make changes by clicking the pencil or add an employee by clicking the plus sign. This is helpful when an employee forgot to clock in or out, so you can make the adjustments here anytime. Below that are the actual sales receipts. Here you may view or modify the receipt. To view the receipt, click on the printer icon. To make changes to the receipt, such as salesperson, payment method, or product, click on the pencil icon. Here you can make those changes when needed. Here I can add or change the salesperson or their commission percent. You may also add or change the customer or payment type if needed. If you make any changes, click Save. To remove a sale, click the X button. You will be prompted if you want to return the product to stock since you are removing the sale. Below are the actual products sold along with the activity of each product. You may also search for a product if needed, and you can also customize the column display. To quickly see your top sellers, click on the Sold column to sort by quantity sold. On the right-hand side, we see the amount of merchandise sold for the day. Below are the notifications that are currently set up for this store. Only those items that are enabled in the notifications section will show here. Additional features of the store dashboard are live inventory status. Clicking here shows you a snapshot of your inventory value in that store. Clicking Edit Product List will take you directly to the inventory catalog. Here you may customize the column display. The Settings button will take you to the Company and Location Settings option.